Welcome to Georgetown, my brand new listing here at Georgetown Estates, 76 River Drive, Unit 22. It's an absolutely stunning property. It's been renovated from top to bottom. Beautiful wide plank hardwood floors, custom kitchen, 3 large bedrooms. There's so many features within this house you're absolutely getting off. But you know what else is special? What's included in your fee. They maintain all of the exterior, includes your roof, your windows, snow removal in the wintertime, and there's also an outdoor pool. We're going to talk a little bit more about that later, but you know what? Let's go for a tour. Welcome to 76 River Drive, Unit 22. The kitchen features granite countertops, custom cabinets, pot lights, glass mosaic backsplash, eat-in area, bay window, deep farmhouse sink, and stunning wide plank hardwood floors. The living and dining room have a great open concept plan with wide plank hardwood floors, crown molding, electric fireplace, pot lights, and access to the treed yard. The stunning stairs are very modern with stainless steel railings, glass inserts, and hardwood treads. The second floor features a large skylight with convenient laundry room with updated washer dryer, ceramic floors, and storage cabinets. The principal bedroom has wide plank hardwood floors, walk-in closet, and stunning spa-like 4-piece ensuite, featuring a deep soaker tub, quartz countertops, large glass shower, and heated floors. The second bedroom is great as an office and has custom built-ins, double closet, hardwood floors, and large window. The third bedroom features a large window, large closet, and hardwood floors. The fully finished basement with its large recreation room is great for movie nights with laminate floors, cozy gas fireplace with stone surround, and wainscoting. It also features a bonus room that can be used as an office, gym, or art studio. The backyard is private and surrounded by trees with a great stone patio and includes the gas barbecue. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 76 River Drive, Unit 22. As you can see, this is one spectacular property and renovated throughout. If you have any questions or want a private tour, reach out to me and I'll be happy to do that for you. Follow me on social media at #HomeGamesRemax and have yourself a beautiful day.